sister commits a sin that does not lead to death, ibig sabihin, kasalanan na hindi masyadong mabigat. Pero kasalanan, no? You should pray to God who will give them life. Ipagdasal mo. But this applies to those whose sins do not lead to death. But there is sin which leads to death. And I do not say that you should pray to God about that. So, meron mga kasalanan na dapat gawan mo ng paraan. Ikumpisal, ilapit, humingi ng kapatawaran at ayusin. Pero may mga kasalanan na pwede mong palampasin. Ipagdadasal kita para mapaglabanan mo yan. In other words, ang kasalanan ay mapanira. Merong nasisira. Pero may kasalanan na ang nasisira, tao lang. For example, isipin ko, si brother, mamaya paglabas nito, abangan ko to. Saksakin ko to. Para makuha ko yung milyones niya. Brother, maibibigay mo naman yung kahit hindi kita saksakin. Halimbawa, okay. Hindi pa nangyayari kasi mamaya pa yun eh. Amen? O pero ngayon, may kasalanan ba ako? Nag-isip ng masama sa kapwa, kasalanan ba yun? Yes! Kasalanan yun na nasa aking isip. Kasalanan ko sa Diyos. So dahil dapat ako, hindi ako nag-iisip. Kaya nga di ba kanina, sin any thought, word, and action. Pero hindi ko pa lubos yung kasalanan, hindi pa nakamamatay. Hindi ko pa siya napapatay. Amen? Para ko pa lang siya patayin. In other words, you have to understand that all sins, whether big or small, are against God. But there are sins that are grave. No, grave, kaya nga grave. Kasi grave. No, grave yun. No? Pagdating sa Jollibee, tsaka sa McDo, gravy yun, gravy. Bahala na kayo kung pumili kung alin doon ang bagay sa inyo. So, yun ibig sabihin. But understand that sin is sin. Alright? Maganda kasi maintindihan ito. Merong mga kasalanan na pwede mong ipagkasal. Uy, wag mong kakasanayan yan. Ha? Nasasanay ka na ng ganon. Opo, sorry. Sige, I'll pray for you na mapaglabanan mo yan. Ang ganon lang. Yung, pangumupi. Ay, mga bata, minsan ang sukli, may sukli, tapos hindi sinusoli. Ang sukli dapat 150. Ang sinoli, 50 lang. Kasi sounds like it. It sounds like. Oh, pero may 100. Oh, hindi naman nakamamatay yun. No? Hindi naman nakamamatay. Pero madelikado yun kapag kinasanayan. Ibig sabihin, unti-unti kang namamatay dahil may kasalanan ka na hindi mo tinatanggal sa sistema mo. At hindi naman papansinin. Mami, di ba? Nag-example natin sa baba. Last time, Mami, may assignment kami. Bring kami. Kayo ba yung, how old are you, sweetheart? If I may ask. You're 11. You're in grade what?
I'm going to be in
grade 6. Have you ever told your mom or asked your mom, Mom, we have some things to bring? I think when you were younger. And then your mom will tell you, there's National Bookstore. And then your mom will tell you, never mind. We have that in the office. Natawa siya. Hulit. Now may I ask you, be honest, all right? Is it bad or is it good? For example, bond papers. Mom, we need 10 bond papers, 4 fasteners, and 3 paper clips. Here's the National Bookstore, come on. And then your mom tells you, never mind, we have that in the office. I'll just get there. Good or bad? Not good. We should expect that. Not good. That's a style of people now, huh? Style of people. Very good. But if it's not good, it is bad. Alright? Ito yung problema natin. Hindi naman nakamamatay yun. Pero huwag kang ganun. Hindi naman sa iyo yun eh. Sa office yun. Ay, oo nga. Sige, pag-pray kita. na hindi mo na ulitin yun. Sabi naman ng mama mo, ipag-pray din kita na hindi mo malaman yun. Patay, no? Why are we talking about this? Because that is sin.